Alright, what's up YouTube? Today is October 9th? 8th. I think it's October 8th. It's Friday. I don't know. I took a day off this week. Maybe it's the 9th. I don't know. So we're doing a unboxing of I think it's called the Daymaker headlight. Got this off Amazon. So this is the made in China. It's probably a knockoff if there was even. Don't know. Let's see. What's it say here? I thought it said it was the Daymaker headlight on Amazon, but you think it would maybe say that on the package? Alright. So this is it. It was, let's see. Alright, so here it is on Amazon. It says LED headlight for Harley-Davidson Sportster, Dyna. I swear it said Daymaker when I ordered it. I don't know. It had 80 reviews, 4.5 stars. It was $39.99 free shipping. So we'll see. And what we're replacing is this headlight here. So I guess we'll go ahead and get busy to get this old one out. And
Phillips.
Last time I did this was on my Sportster quite a while ago. I put a LED headlight in that one. There we go. I think I got it. There goes the vice grips. But I can hold the nut with my finger now. Broke it loose. Alright. Oh, my phone's ringing. Spam risk. Alright, so take this off. And let's take unplug your light right there. See? Pretty easy. There's the old headlight. Now this one you just would pop the back off and take the bulb out and put a new one in. But the new headlight is a complete unit here. So you just take this, plug it in here, and then can you turn the key on?
Yeah.
Make sure it works. It's down by the seat. Alright, look at that. And oops, that's the horn. Low, high, low, high. Alright, so
Bright.
Bright headlight. Is that really nice and bright? Alright, go ahead and turn the key off. Now, what we gotta do is, I'm assuming, does this have a which way goes up? I'm assuming these two dots on top go up. Maybe I should look at the
instructions.
Maybe I should look at the instructions real quick, just to make sure.
Alright, let's just cut this out.
I'm not putting it upside down. Dots go on the bottom.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So I just looked at the picture on Amazon, and those two little dots go on the bottom. I'm having the same problem I have with the Sportster. It's you gotta cram this stuff in here to get it to fit. It really doesn't want to fit in this little housing. There we go. I think I got it. I had the same deal with the Sportster trying to get the headlight in with the wires. And then the other thing is trying to keep the headlight. Does that look? Try to keep it centered.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
That look maybe just a little more. Come on, turn headlight. Okay, does that look like it's? I think that looks like it's straight up.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
All right. So like I said, this is a pretty easy upgrade. Oh, well, it's biting the nut now. One thing we don't want to happen is for this bolt nut to come apart and drive down the road and then all of a sudden headlight pops out, especially at night. That would not be good. Okay, I think that's pretty good. That feels pretty solid. So you want to turn the ignition on again and make sure it still works.
Yeah.
Getting it back in there. All right.
Alex, look.
Low beams, high beams. Low beams, high beams. All right. There we go, YouTube. Pretty easy upgrade. All right, everyone have a good day. Ride safe.